Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a quinoa salad for weight loss. Start by rinsing 1 cup quinoa and cooking it until fluffy, then cool it to room temperature. Layer chopped cucumber, bell pepper, cherry tomatoes, and a handful of spinach for texture. Toss with a lemon vinaigrette made from olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper and chill briefly before serving. Cook quinoa gently and keep the texture light and fluffy for the salad. Measure 1 cup quinoa and 2 cups water, bring to a simmer, then cover and cook until water is absorbed. Remove the pan from heat and let it sit covered for 5 minutes, then fluff with a fork. Cooling the quinoa on a tray prevents sogginess and helps the grains separate nicely for the salad. Assembling the salad is where flavors and textures come together in a healthy way. Combine cooled quinoa with chopped vegetables and optional protein like grilled chicken or chickpeas for fullness. Whisk 2 tablespoons olive oil with lemon juice, a pinch of salt, and cracked black pepper for a bright dressing. Toss gently to coat, taste for seasoning, and refrigerate briefly so flavors may.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.